it's time for snack time on Noggin.
Take a pinch of this and a shake of that and a splash of something good. Cause the cook just knows by the twitch in her nose the way a good cook should.
I see. Take an ounce of this and a pound of that and a ton of something else, right? No?
And you stir it round and you let it brown till the whole concoction melts.
I get it. If I whoop with a loop-the-loop, a ladle and a scoop. It's a Goodtime Goombah Soup. A good time can be had by all in the Goodtime Goombah Soup. It'll walk your socks till you tear one. The Goodtime Goombah Soup. The soup that laughs and barks and tears is the old-time Goombah Soup. It'll pin your ears till you get 3 tears in the Goodtime Goombah Soup.
That's my boy.
Everybody wants some more. It's an old-time Goombah Soup.